Hey everyone! Before we kick this off, if you're interested in more content like this, you can click on the top right of your screen for a whole playlist of ways regarding how to make money online. Now, on to the video. The on-demand production revolution is here to stay. Artists who are not yet part of this movement are missing out on a great opportunity to monetize by exhibiting their art online. Technology has now enabled creatives to make one-of-a-kind products that can be personalized, printed, or manufactured, and be delivered to your doorstep in just a few days. These websites empower savvy and not-so-savvy artists, make extra money, and on the other hand, allow consumers to acquire unique designs and fully express themselves through them. These print-on-demand sites provide a low-cost entry to markets that used to be difficult to access. Consumers are growing tired of making super-rich companies richer, instead choosing to acquire t-shirts, sweatshirts, iPhone cases, etc. from less industrialized providers. Ideally, independent artists. Add to this the ever-growing need to express yourself by owning original products that few or almost no one else has. It's no wonder why several companies have leveraged a profitable business model that is definitely here to stay. Fun fact, you don't have to invest any money and it works all over the world, so I want you to type in the comments down below what you would do with that amount of money made online. In this current time, making money online is definitely the way to go. No transport needed, no space needed, just the simple things. Internet connectivity, a machine to work with, and persistence. There probably are more benefits associated with working from home. Type it down in the comments below. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn $10 every 20 seconds worldwide. Ready? Make sure to stay till the end so you can get to learn the best advice to get more money in your account. Did you know there are a lot of ways you can make some extra money selling your original artwork online? What kinds of art products do people sell online? One of the benefits of opting to sell custom art products is that there are so many different things you can customize. All you need to get started is to choose a site that offers the products you think would suit your artwork the best. People prefer buying art that's tangible, especially goods that they can use in their everyday life. Whether they're displaying your art in their home or using your products throughout the day, you want to be sure you're offering consumers the kinds of goods they're interested in. Some of the most popular items sold as custom art products include clothing. Did you know that you can create wearable art by printing your original designs on clothing? Use a platform like Bonfire to upload your designs. Pick the clothing items you want to offer, set prices, and then your customers can purchase the shirts they'd like directly from your sales page. Framed prints. When you think of custom art, the first thing that comes to mind is likely traditional framed art prints. You can offer supporters their pick of your art portfolio and custom framing options to drive their interest in these goods. Posters and tapestries. These are a more affordable alternative to custom framed prints and might be more suitable for artists trying to attract younger art buyers. Your target audience for these products is likely college-aged. For those just starting out, we recommend creating custom clothing art. Not only is this an affordable way to get started selling your art online, but your supporters will also love having the chance to buy art they can actually use in their day-to-day life. And the best part is that with Bonfire, it's completely free to get started. Test out designs to see what will sell best without buying any inventory up front. Do you think creating custom apparel sounds right for your needs? Let's take a deeper dive into how you can get started making money selling t-shirts. Bonfire is a fun and unique online fundraising tool that enables nonprofit organizations to promote their cause and mission and raise money by selling custom t-shirts to supporters online. The good thing about this is they can do this without the need to pay any upfront fees and worry about inventory. Design custom t-shirts for free. One of the fun and exciting features offered by Bonfire is its online shirt design tool. This tool is used for creating t-shirt designs that the supporters of the organizations will love. In order for users to design awesome t-shirts and hoodies, the tool is built with thousands of design elements, fonts, and graphics that they can choose from. What's great about this is they can use the design tool for free. Set your own t-shirt pricing and sales goal. Bonfire permits users to set a sales goal before they launch their fundraising campaign and sell t-shirts online. They can define the amount of money they need to raise, the quantity of t-shirts needed to be sold to reach such amount, and the price of the t-shirts. Doing this, they will be able to encourage more supporters and maximize their profits. Launch your fundraising campaign on customizable fund page. The online fundraising solution has a feature that enables organizations to set up their own fundraising campaign within its system. Here, they can build a fund page for their organization and customize it. Among the things they can add to the fund page are videos, photos, and website links. As they customize their own fund page, they can indicate a short summary of the fundraising campaign and how long the campaign will last. Spread awareness and raise more funds for your cause. Spreading awareness is another feature delivered by Bonfire. The online fundraising tools helps users expand their network of supporters by allowing them to share their own custom fund page on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. They are also provided with a fund page link which they can attach to emails and messages they're sending out to supporters and community members. They can reach out to a wider audience and take advantage of the power of a crowd to sell more t-shirts and raise more funds. Everything is handled for you: printing, fulfillment, payment, inventory, and shipping. Bonfire takes away the pain associated with fulfilling orders, managing payments, and handling inventory. This is because the vendor, Bonfire Funds, is the one who will handle all of these, permitting organizations to focus more on promoting their cause, growing their supporter base, and raising money, and less on sales, inventory, and shipping processes. Bonfire Funds make sure the nonprofits are able to ship high-quality, top-notch, and professional t-shirts to their supporters. In fact, the vendor can quickly print the ordered t-shirts and deliver them directly to supporters of the organization. When it comes to collecting profits, users also need not worry about that, as Bonfire Funds can send the profits to the organization on time. Bonfire didn't start off like the rest of the print-on-demand sites. In the beginning, Bonfire was dedicated to helping people raise funds for different types of campaigns. Currently, it's a design and technology company where you can create custom apparel and sell your designs. Selling your designs on Bonfire is easy. You can either upload custom artwork or create your t-shirt designs using their free graphics and their powerful design tool. Once you've created your apparel, you can launch your campaign, which can run anywhere from 7 to 21 days. Once a campaign is launched, you set a selling goal, which you will need to meet by your deadline. To do this, you'll have to promote and sell your products to your community. To make this easier, you can create your own store that is customized to fit your campaign or brand. By enabling fundraising or tipping options, buyers can leave an optional donation or tip on top of their purchase. If there's ever a problem, Bonfire will make it right no matter what, so you know your supporters are always in good hands. When your campaign ends, Bonfire prints and ships the products and sends you an easy payout of the profits. And because Bonfire passes on the bulk printing savings to you, the more you've sold, the higher your profit margins will be. Once your campaign is ended, you can relaunch your campaign automatically or with the press of a button so you never miss a sale. Bonfire Profit Margin Explained. When your campaign is successful, all of the products go directly to you. You get to decide how to price your products so you can make the profits that will help you reach your goals. While it's typically recommended that you keep default prices, you know your community best and should price your products with them in mind. If you want to keep your base cost low, keep in mind that there are 3 factors that will affect the base price of an item. Product style. Each product style has different costs to manufacture and source. For example, a t-shirt costs less than a long sleeve shirt, which costs less than a hoodie. Number of ink colors. Each ink color added to your design will raise your base cost. It's recommended that you stick to 1 to 3 colors to keep costs down, although you can add up to 8. Printing on both sides. For apparel, you have the option to print a design on one or both sides of a shirt. Placing your artwork on only one side of the shirt will keep your base cost low. As we mentioned earlier, as the number of items you sell goes up, the base cost of your product goes down. Bonfire passes these manufacturing savings on to you. If you seek to make the highest profits possible, try to keep your base cost low. You can do this by printing on one side of the item and using 1 to 3 ink colors maximum in your design. Design ownership on Bonfire. Bonfire owns or controls all the content on the site except uploaded original designs or other uploaded works of authorship, which are property of their respective owners. Of course, when uploading a design to Bonfire, it should be original, or you should have the rights to its commercial use. You're also required to agree to allow Bonfire to represent the design or work of authorship in blog posts, remarketing advertisements, or any other marketing materials. You can learn more about this in their terms and conditions. Sharing is caring. If you like this video, please take a moment to share it now.